Alright, this is Old Town in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This was actually a village in 1706, so this is very old ground. I'm sure it saw a bunch. I shot this with an Insta360. But you can check out all the old adobes. It's such a cool place to visit. It has some neat little shops, some handmade things. During the summertime, you can see a bunch of Native American dances and a bunch of other things here coming up at the gazebo area. I forgot the name of this church here, but it is one of the oldest churches, I think, in the United States. I could be confusing it with one in Santa Fe, New Mexico. But here's the little gazebo in the middle of Old Town. One really cool thing is to do a ghost tour here. You can hear a lot about the history and the Wild West that happened here. Also, the largest museum of venomous snakes is right there, which is the Rattlesnake Museum. If you are into reptiles like I am, check it out. But thanks for watching this. This is Old Town in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I hope you guys are enjoying it.